Here is the tutorial for Baby Mine from Dumbo. It's going to start on this note A. 3 black keys between the top 2. And we're going to start with your number 3 finger. Now rest all your fingers on one note. It's going to stay there. Just glue your hand right there. Thumb on F, pinky on C, but we start right here. Ready? Okay, then the second phrase repeats exactly the same thing. Start on third. Okay, now we're going to start on our third, but it's not going to be here. We have to hop your number 3 finger up to this D, right here between the top 2 black keys. Third right here. Okay, now we hop the third finger again to this B flat. And we're going to just rest your fingers, G, A, B flat, C, D. Land on your thumb. But now the third finger is going to hop right here to where the thumb is. And we go G, A, B flat. Okay, now we can stay right here, but your thumb is going to play E again. There you go. Okay, this is step 2. We're going to add a single note in the left hand to go with our melody. In step 1, we learned the melody. Now let's learn what the left hand does. We're going to start with your pinky on F. So 3 black keys, and it's right down here. F. Now, if you rest all your fingers on each key, you won't be in the right place. You're going to need to scoot your number 2 and your thumb up one note. So you'll play F with your pinky, C, D. Now we just did C, D. Now we move these back down to B flat, C. C, D, B flat, C. Then for the second phrase, we repeat that pattern exactly the same. Okay, now we're going to stay right where we are right here. We just play 4 notes really for the last phrase. B flat. Now this 4th finger on G, thumb on C, and all the way down to your pinky on F. Now, this is what it sounds like together. Go. All right, we're on Baby Mine step 3. We're going to put full chords in the left hand. So on step 2, we just learned 1 note at a time. Now the left hand's going to play 3 notes at a time. For the F note, we're going to play an F chord, F, A, C. And when we play this C, we keep your thumb right here, and these 2 fingers just move down 1 note. Now, freeze this hand, like right where it is, and we just move all the fingers up 1 note. So it's F, A, D. That makes a D minor chord. Now when we change to B flat, this and this stay the same, and this plays a B flat in the middle. Then we go back to the C. C's on the top, and you go down to G and B. Okay, and in this song, it repeats that pattern one more time. F, C, D minor. This goes to B flat, C. And now we go back to a B flat chord. There's a B flat there in the middle, F and D. Now G minor. The pinky's going to come up to G, and that squishes these fingers together So we take this finger off the B flat and use your third. Then back to C, where C's on the top, down to G, E. We're going to finish on an F chord. Keep your thumb here and just slide these two notes up one note. Okay, this is what it sounds like all together. Okay, for Baby Mine, this is an advanced step. This is step 4. You just learn as far as you can. This would be for a more progressing player. We're going to take those left-hand chords and break them up. So we'll just play 1, 2, 3 on F, 1, 2, 3 on C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we play them one at a time. We're dividing the measures. We get 3 steps here for each half note up here. We'll talk about timing in another time. But if you just feel how this feels, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we'll break up the chords. And when there's 2, when you have to hold out the measure, you'd hold it for 1 and then do it again. Now B flat is held out for a whole measure, so you do it twice. C chord is for the whole measure, so you do it twice. Then F and C are sharing a measure. F, C, D twice, B flat twice, C twice. Now B flat, actually we do 4 times because it's held for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now G minor twice, C twice, and F 4 times. But at the very end, I don't like to keep that going and let's just end on 1, 2, and end on that. Okay, this is what it'll sound like all put together. Ready? F, C, D. There you go.